Today we're making lsky take. Translation is Spanish bird. It's made with flank steak like this, some kind of a carne asada type meat, and you just need a sausage, hot dog, egg, pickle, and you roll it up like this, and you secure it with toothpicks, or you can tie it up with a string, whichever way works best for you. And then we just fry it a little bit with the onion in some olive oil and cover it up and cook for about 2 hours just to make sure the meat gets nice and tender and juicy. And then we have it with rice. It's such a great dinner or lunch, whatever you want to eat it for, but it's truly delicious. Enjoy the video and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.